I asked the entity if it would describe itself just so I could have some designation to give it, so that when it did show up, I could say, "Hi, Fred," or "Hi, George," or "Hi, Helen," or whatever designation it gave me. And the entity agreed and said, in my last incarnation, I was Jesus of Nazareth. And my first response, emotionally and mentally, was something that would probably sound like, "Yeah, right." Because I just assumed Jesus would have a few more things to do rather than drop by my meditation. So it must have been a slow day somewhere, and Jesus was walking around looking for something to do and said, "Nah, I think I'll pop in on this guy." That was pretty much it. Periodically, Jesus continued to appear until finally